Welcome to Westport. These are our single-story flats here at Eastvale Square. Take a look at the Plan 1. This unit comes standard with our Enhanced A Insignia design package. That comes with quartz countertops, a tile backsplash. Something unique about this community is all of the interior appliances are included. It comes with dishwasher, microwave, oven, range, and washer and dryer. Also a unique feature, all of our Westport flats come with a private patio. Great for entertainment or relaxing in the evening. Our Plan 1 is just over 700 square feet. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. This here is the primary bathroom, and this here is the primary suite. Our Westport flats range from 1 to 3 bedrooms, starting at just over 700 square feet, all the way to just over 1,600 square feet. Prices start in the mid-400s, all the way to the mid-600s. Now open daily for tours. Discover your dream home and be part of this exciting future that awaits at Eastvale Square.